Hi guys, welcome to FRICK Jeep. My name's John. I'm wore out. I've got a lot of work done today, but I want to give you a teaser of what's going on tomorrow's video. I'm going to be sawing that pine log up, but I figured I'd come along and take one slice because then I got to turn it. I'm going to show you real quick where everything's covered with sticky wood. That's why I got my goofy hat on. I can only saw into maybe, I hope I can get one bore on because that knot's low. I didn't feel like cutting all the turtles or knots or nonsense off, so I'm hoping to knock this off, that protrusion back there off, and maybe take one board. I won't know until I get that in there. So that's what's going on. This is just a teaser because then, you know, I got to do a lot of work to change it and turn it around, and I'll have all that done when we start tomorrow. So put your ears on. We're about ready to make noise. Good noise. So we'll be sawing that tomorrow night. Yeah, that one knot, you can't see it from here. I can't take another cut. So I'm gonna have to flip that down or go over, flip, flip, flip. I'll take care of that later and be ready to bring you back tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bye-bye. Is my head in there? It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's aiming way down. Anyhow, hi guys. Welcome to FRICK Jeep. My name's John, and I'm trying to do a belated, I guess is the right word, thanks to a lot of people that we met up at the Bunyan show, Paul Bunyan show, and I've got a whole array of stuff that I've got, some of it, a little bit of it this year, a lot of it, some of it last year, and so I want to start by giving them thanks. And I'll probably screw up, so if I screw up in the name or if I screw up in what I said, leave a comment down there so we can correct it. If it matters, I don't know, it probably matters to a lot of people. Doesn't matter to me when somebody messes up my name because I get called all sorts of stuff. Anyhow, around the yard, I believe his name is Brent. Whoops, that's the wrong way. That's the back of it. This is the front of it. It's a pocket tee, real nice, heavy shirt. Anyhow, go up and check him out. I think he's in Minnesota, and I know he's got a Wolf Ridge splitter. I'm pretty sure about that, and lots of fun toys. I know he's got a little case skid steer and that kind of stuff. I watch him quite frequently, but I never quite ever remember the names. So that's one of them. We'll set it over here. Andrews Lumber. They came. Andrews they run a sawmill down. I think it's North Carolina, Fleetwood, North Carolina. Real good guy. Works with his dad. His dad. We're gonna find a shirt from him in a minute. They gave us that shirt last year. I enjoy watching them. It's a good show for you to check out. Another one, Heath and Rachel. Okay, let's see, where am I at? Hardworking man. They're up in Michigan, and he collects wood splitters more than people collect anything. And he was helping Easton mate out, Andrew. Anyhow, real good pair to watch there. Here's a guy I think everybody knows. Firewood at the Furnace, Brad from Maryland. Saw him at the Hope Show, Paul Bunyan Show. Check his channel out. His is a another real good channel I enjoy watching. Saw Doctor. Him and Andrew, I think this is, if I get it right, I'm pretty sure that this is Andrew's dad. And if you need a saw hammer, this is more in the sawing part of my videos than in the wood splitting or junk I do around the house. If you need a saw worked on or need some parts for a saw or even, I think he's so nice he'd give you any kind of information. They came set with us up at the Bunyan Show for quite a long time, and it was just real nice to sit down and talk to people there. Now this is one that I just met him up at the Bunyan Show, or not the Bunyan Show, at the Hope Farm. And I think his name, I gotta write it down here, where are we at? Willie's Farm. I think his name is Russ. And for some reason I look his name up because I just saw it yesterday watching one of those videos where he's now being a, I forget what you call it, supplier or a sponsor of the all-wood wood splitters. So if you need an all-wood wood splitter, give him a call, he can get you. Sponsor's the wrong word, but I can't think of the right word. So anyhow, he does a lot of splitting wood, and he's got a lot of good guys, and I think he's got his grandpa saws all the wood for him. So it's a good show, really nice guy. Then we got three green acres. Let me see if I got 3 green acres. Okay, splits firewood. Wife is named Cindy, I believe. I watch them not as frequently as others, but I'm getting more into it. So the t-shirt helped. So that's a good one. I thought I had one. Maybe it's this one here. Easton Firewood Hand Clearing Palm. These guys came. Okay, this is one. I think these were the guys that came the furthest to the Bunyan Show. Good channel to go up and watch out. Real good at doing everything they do, which is land. I think they do land clearing and stuff like that. Here's the back of the shirt. Those guys stop by. This is another good channel that you want to stop by and take a peek at. So sorry for being so late on giving all those shout outs to everybody. I got a few more here, but I'm going to do them on a later date. I've got a hard-working cup. This is from Shannon down at Temple Hills Farm. A great fan using axe. I got a Ghost Award. I got a sign that I didn't know about. And then we'll go through all these stickers that I got and jacuzzis that I got up there. We'll do that on another day. So stay tuned. Today we're going to have I got to move some logs around that I cut down. The 3 that I pulled out, I made room for them, so we'll show that. We got some sawing on the sawmill. And don't know quite what else I'll be getting into today, but those will be on there today. So look forward to seeing you here all day long, or tonight's video. We'll see you later. Now, for now, stop back. This isn't the end of the show. This is the beginning of the show, telling you what's in the show. Anyhow, I'm all messed up. We'll see you later. Bye. Well, guys, we're here at the strangest thing probably on YouTube. This is what I used to cut up all that stuff. It really wasn't on the forecast of things to do today, but you know me, my forecast changes in a minute. I'm going to start to uncover it a little bit. A lot of times bees get in here, and I kind of don't like bees. I mean, I don't mind bees. I just don't like getting stung by them. This old tarp has been on here, so it sounds like paper now. It's been here so long. And I uncover this thing a couple times a year. I wish it was under a roof. I think it's got a battery and it's going to need charging. is that I open it up this time of the year because it's cool and the bees are kind of docile. But I think I left the battery in it. No, I took the battery out of it. Mouse nest. Oh, there he goes. All right, I gotta find a battery, which kind of knew I was gonna have to. We'll give you a walk around, come back and see this thing working after, I don't know where I put the battery that. It might be in the air compressor in the front. There's the mouse nest. We'll get rid of that. Don't need that. Maybe I'll get the, I think the blower's back there. I'll blow this out. And this is a weird beast. Don't have hardly any money in it. I probably don't have, there's probably less than $1,000 in it. Maybe even less, well, less than $1,000 is still less than $1,000. Anyhow, you put it was meant for slab wood, and you'd take the slab wood, put it on here, cut it, and then it would go into a totes or whatever back there, but I just didn't like that operation. It was just as fast to cut them up by the little chainsaw, which you've seen me do in the past. So I'm gonna find a battery, get some gas in it, because I'm sure that there isn't any, and we're gonna start working on this pile of slab junk. I'll probably throw the pine off because that's fresh. The rest of it is dry enough to burn, so we'll be back in a little bit. Hi guys, well I think I got it running, so I'll have to start it up and see what's going on. I got some of that sticky wood from yesterday in there. I don't really care for that, but it does start fires, and this is a kindling maker, so let's see if it'll start back up now for me. I gotta hook up the electric fuel pump. Oh, the wires come undone. Always something. As fast as I put these wires on, they're coming off. They're so stiff, they're just going to where they were. Alright, let's see if we can get her going now. Yeah, we'll see the elevator. They go down and I guess you can see the bucket. When I get further along, you get the idea though. They just go down there and fill up. We'll be back a little bit. I just ran out of gas, guys. Well, here's where we're at, and I'll go down and jockey this around a little bit. Guess I should have it on the other side. Anybody need some kindling? I got tons of it. And it adds up pretty quick. Some of it's got a little mold on it. That one I'll throw out and put in the bonfire that's burning right now. Anyhow, just kind of brought you along for an update. I'll probably take a break and go move those logs out in a little bit. Oh, you know, I got to turn off the fuel pump and stuff. I forgot to do that. Anyhow, we're coming along. We'll see you in a little bit. Hi guys, welcome back. Later on in the afternoon, I got sidetracked. A good friend came over and played around for 2 hours, so it was a good time. So I never even got more gas in the chop saw over there, but I did clean up the mess and clean up some of the mess around here. I did that, and I told you I'd get a sawing video on, so that's what I'm working on doing. I'm going to take the slab cut off and maybe 1 or 2 boards. I don't know where I'm at on that, but that's what we're going to do. Because it's sticky wood, you're going to be sitting back just a little bit further. I think you can see me there pulling the handle and it going through, and we're just going to get going. Start the engine up and make it twirl. then, look at the boards coming off. 12 inches wide. laid down one a little bit. Had to do a couple trims. I got to get my hands cleaned up, put some gloves on, clean up a lot of mess, and then we'll be back for the finish up. A couple trims to do, that's about it. So, and my battery's flashing at me. Might not get it on this show. Hi guys, welcome back. I got the mess all cleaned up. I got the slab wood all cut up. Got my hands all cleaned up. I'm gonna put mittens on. I don't really like sawing wood. Uh-oh. My battery is going to flash and it had 3 bars when I turned the thing on. I guess this battery's about had it. So I'm gonna cut until the battery goes out. And that's what you'll get to see. And at that, I'm gonna finish everything up. So, don't know how long it's gonna be.